Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making for you some egg. I'm going to show you my unique style, the way I like it. So here are some onions and tomatoes, as you can see, and this is a bit of egg, and I've added some bit of flour. Yeah, and then here is my pan. I'm waiting for it to heat up. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you basically how I love making my egg. Hello guys, so as you can see, I just added my onions. Yeah, so they are cooking. So I'm going to wait for them to cook a little bit, then I'm going to pour in my eggs. As you can see, I just added the eggs, and those are the onions over there. So I want to add my tomatoes. So there it is. I just added my onions, as you can see. Yeah, so I'm about to flip it, but let me wait for a little bit. Yeah, so it basically looks like a pizza. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it clearly. So guys, I'm just waiting for the top part to cook so that I can flip it over. So it's taking more time than I expected, but let's just be patient. So I'm going to use this lid that I have here. I want to cover it a little bit so that it can cook evenly. So as you can see guys, I just flipped and you can see the way it's looking so nice. It's golden brown. Yeah, I just love this. Can't wait to taste it. But that's the way it's looking like right now. So I'm waiting like for the other part to cook. Then you'll see it basically the way it will be looking like. I can't wait for you guys to see it because I'm enjoying every bit of this. Yeah, I know you can hear my child there talking. Yeah, so basically guys, this is how it's looking like. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah, it looks like a homemade pizza. But I've used eggs and some flour, and I've added some spices here and there. So that is how it looks like. Looks so amazing. Yeah, so that's how it looks like after slicing it. Yeah, you can see how it's looking. It looks so appetizing. So that's it. So basically I'm going to be showing you as I hold the slice. So this is how the slice is looking like. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's so nice. I just took a bite. So amazing. Okay, so that's it. That's how I basically make my homemade egg pizza. Yeah, so if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. You can see how amazing it looks like. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscription button and turn off the notification bell so whenever I post a video you can be the first one to see it. Yeah, so that's a quick review. I'm going to show you. That's a quick review of how it looks like. So see you guys till the next video. Bye.